To use the tumble dryer, you just turn the knob to the desired setting. There are a range of settings you can use, and this outlines the time it will take and the capacity of load that you can put in the machine. This can also be found online. And then on here you can then push start, and then it will start, and that's it. You can pause, pushing the button again, and you can then turn this to off, and this will allow you to open up the door. When the tumble dryer has finished, then turn it to the off position, which is at 12 o'clock, and then you just open by pulling your handle, and after each load you should remove the lint filter. This then opens up, which is on this catch here. To open the lint container, there is this little button here. You just pull down on this button and then it will open up and allow you to remove any lint that's in there, and then you push this close again and it will click, and then put that back in there. Also, you need to make sure that you remove this tray, which will have all the water in it from the drying process, and empty this down the sink, and you can just pour this down the sink and then just back in. If you have not emptied that and then you try and do another load, you'll find that the machine will unlikely to work, since it will have too much water on board for a next load. Thank you.